Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing here again. Today to give you the reading for the coming week, or you can say this week. Hope everyone had a wonderful holidays and wishing you all a very happy new year. Hope this 2022 brings you a lot of success, a lot of happiness, a lot of love in your life, and good health, of course. Before we start, please go ahead and like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There are a lot of people who do see the video and follow the predictions, but there is no like coming from you guys, and I would really request you, if you really follow my channel or if you really are into this reading, please go ahead and like my YouTube video here. I am on Instagram as well as on Facebook, so please go ahead and like my page there too. So with good wishes and good health, I will start my reading for this week, and this reading is for 3rd of Jan till the 9th of Jan. That is 3rd of January is Monday till the 9th of January, that is Sunday. So let's begin our reading with our first sign, and that is the sign Aries. So I am going to pull 3 cards for the sign Aries. So let's go ahead and pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Aries. People born under the sign Aries, this is a week where it is going to be something like you are more going to think about your finance, your problem related to finance. This week is a week where you will remove that blockage of your finance coming to you by donating something to the needy people. So that will give you that positive energy and will remove the blockages that is coming in your finance. This is one for finance for Aries people. Where your relationship are concerned, they are okay, but somewhere there is some kind of emotion, some kind of sadness that I see in your relationship this week. There is you are feeling low in that energy, you can say, where your emotions are concerned, where your love is concerned, where your relationship is concerned this week. Overall, if I see your card where your work is concerned, work looks fine, but overall whatever you do this week, it is going to give you a positive outcome. So health is going to remain fine, just a financial blockage that I'm seeing, that I told you what to do, just need to do that and it will be okay for you guys. So now we are going to go ahead and do the second sign, and that is the sign Taurus. So 3 cards for the people born under the sign Taurus. If I see the cards, Taurus people are more on the emotion side. This week I see more of that emotions of love, relationship, and that kind of emotion that is going to power you this week. But that is where your relationship are concerned. Whatever you are seeing or whatever you have been shown is just an illusion. It looks like, what is the truth behind the relationship, or what is the truth behind the person you are in, with. Is it the truth, or somewhere, that person is hiding something from you? So that's where the relationship is concerned. So that's where the, your emotions are concerned. There are chances that there are some, emotions, kind of bad emotions that are going to come to you somewhere where your relationship are concerned. Your mood swings are going to be a little down, it's like you might feel a little depressed where your relationship are concerned this week, because this week is something that is totally I see emotional cards. So you are going to be ruled by your emotions this week. Basically, just be very careful, not your health but the health of elderly person in your family, maybe your mother, maybe grandmothers, or women, basically old age women. So just be very careful about that. Where your career is concerned, the career looks normal, finance also looks normal, so there shouldn't be a problem. Mostly you have to deal with your emotions. Be patient this week. Now we go ahead and pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Gemini. For the people born under the sign Gemini, I see something where your emotions are concerned. You are going to be lucky this week where your emotions are concerned. Your relationship is going to flourish this week. I see a celebration coming in your family. You might meet your old friends. old family members, maybe after a long time, and there is a situation of celebration that might be coming to you this week. This week is something like you want to enjoy your life, you want to be stress free. It is something like you want to leave the stress and the worry behind and just move forward. So that kind of attitude will be there this week, for you guys, where you're the only thing that you have to worry about this week is the people who are not your well-wishers. They might backstab you, or they might do something behind your back to harm you. So just be very, very careful about those kind of people. Stay away from those kind of people. Where your finance is concerned, it looks normal. I don't see much up or down where your finance is concerned. Emotions definitely are happy emotions, because you are going to be celebrating, you are going to be meeting new people, and you're going to be blessed with new relationship. And health looks normal, not a problem. And career looks normal too. Now 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. So we are going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Cancer. People born under the sign Cancer, again I see a relationship week for you this week. Definitely you will have a good relationship, or whatever you are having, you are very, very comfortable in that zone. You don't want new friends, you don't want new relationship. Basically you are going to build up the relationship you have. So someone who is trying to be close to you, or someone who's trying to come and be friendly to you, you will not pay much attention. So you are basically not going to attract any new relationship this week, but whatever you have is going to flourish. Basically you are going to see positive effect in your current relationship. Also, where your health is concerned, be very careful about the stress, about not getting enough sleep, or having issues where your migraines are concerned or headaches are concerned. You just be very careful. Try to be at peace, try to have enough sleep, because there will be disturbed sleep coming to you this week. So where your health is concerned, you need to be very, very careful about those. Career seems fine, no negative cards for career, nor do I see any negative cards for finance. So it's a good sign. It is going to be normal for you guys. Now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for the people born under the sign Leo. So 3 cards for people born under the sign Leo. For the people born under the sign Leo, I see a travel coming to you this week related to your work, a short travel. You can say something you're traveling basically for your finance, or for your work, or for your career. So that is there in your career. Finance looks fine, because there is something more coming to you where finance is concerned this week. Of course, there is a growth in your relationship. Also, I see your relationship growing. Not a week where you're going to attract new relationship, but definitely a growth in your current relationship is shown. You are quite satisfied in your relationship this week. You will feel that you have all what you need in this week where your relationship is concerned. So most of the things are positive. Finance is coming to you, career growth is there, relationship is growing. So your week seems to be fine. Health also, if I see, health looks good too. I don't see any problems where your health are concerned. Now we are going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Virgo. So people born under the sign Virgo, where I see your work, your career, basically I see there are a lot of small arguments that will cause you some kind of stress, or some kind of tension where your work is concerned, like some arguments between your co-workers, or something going on in your office that might create some kind of stress for you this week. But definitely a week of strong you can say positive thoughts, a strong you can say you yourself will be so strong this week. You can face anything that is coming to you. You are the person this week who can go ahead and even win a battle. So it is a week where you are very strong. You are going to move ahead with that positiveness in you, and that some kind of authority or something like that is going to be given to you this week, where where you will be so confident to move ahead. Definitely I do see a growth where you can say your career is concerned, there is a forward moment coming to you where your career is concerned. But this week is something where that career movement, you are going to take it so seriously, you are going to move ahead with so positivity. There are chances that you might get an answer, or you might get something that you have been waiting for. So that will give you that confidence to move ahead. Health looks fine, just a little bit of stress where it's coming from work, so that shouldn't be a problem. Finance looks normal. Your career, definitely forward moment is showing where your career is concerned. Maybe something coming to you that you have been waiting for, a new work or a new opportunity, something that you will move ahead with confidence. So not a bad week for you. Now we're going to remove 4 cards for people born under the sign Libra. So let's pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Libra. For the people born under the sign Libra, where the opportunities are concerned, definitely I see opportunities coming to you where your career is concerned. So there might be new proposals, there might be new opportunities basically coming at work. Definitely a finance growth you will see in whatever finance or money that you have been kept in investment or any kind of, I see a growth coming to you in the week. Also there is some kind of celebration or some kind of good news coming to you this week, where maybe you bought a new house, or maybe you are buying a new vehicle, or some kind of news will come to you this week. But emotionally, where your relationship are concerned, there might be some kind of loneliness or some kind of emotional setback coming to you this week. Maybe you might not feel that good where your relationship are concerned. So where your relationship are concerned, that is a little low setback kind of a thing coming to you. But definitely opportunities coming where your career is concerned. Financial growth is there, good moment, a good situation where you will celebrate, or you will buy something new vehicle, or you will get a news of buying new vehicle. So your health looks fine, just emotionally a little bit down, so just take care of it. Now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign Scorpio. People born under the sign Scorpio, where your work front is concerned, your career is concerned, I see that there are people around you at your workplace or office where they might not go with your ideas, they might not go with what you basically have in mind. They will oppose to the ideas, they will not follow what you are saying. So you will somewhere have to fight back for your point to be proved to them, kind of a thing, where your work is concerned. Definitely where emotions are concerned, I can see a good news coming to you, where if someone is trying for a baby, or the pregnancy news, or something like that will be coming to you this week. People who are trying to become pregnant, or or maybe someone who is expecting a baby, this might be the time where it will happen. Also, I do see a financial growth coming to you, a financial growth where you have invested somewhere, or you have put your money for growth. Basically, that growth will be seen this week coming to you. You have to be very, very careful about people who are maybe at work front or at your workplace. Also, maybe there are chances of robbery, or something stealing away from you. Maybe at workplace it might be your ideas that have been stolen from you, or anything from home or office can be stolen. So just be very, very careful about losing things this week. So where your health is concerned, I don't see any problems coming to you. So that's it for Scorpio. Now we are going to pull 3 cards for people born under the sign Sagittarius. People born under the sign Sagittarius, where their growth is concerned, where your career is concerned, I still see weight. So it is saying that it is definitely going to come to you, but this is not the week where your career growth is shown. Also, there is emotions, where emotions are concerned. You will have to balance your emotions and your work, because somewhere that balance is needed, because somewhere you will be affected emotionally. so that might affect your work somewhere. So keep a balance between your work and emotions. Also, there this week is somewhere where you are going to meet some person new, or maybe you are going to be visited by a person who is a elderly person, like your father or grandfather, or that kind of person who is going to be a great help to you, in providing you, a support, you can say, where your work is concerned or where your life is concerned. Definitely financial growth is there, but there is something that is stopping it to grow. So this week is something where if you go ahead and donate something, or pray whatever mantra or something to remove the blockage. Shrim mantra is the best mantra that you can do on Fridays or every day if you possible, and that can remove a blockage that is coming to you in your finance is definitely there, but something is stopping it. So do the mantra Shrim, and it will help you to push away that blockage. Health looks fine, there's no problem where your health is concerned. So that's it for Sagittarius. Now we are going to go ahead and do 3 cards for people born under the sign of Capricorn. People born under the sign Capricorn, where your work is concerned, there is going to be a little bit of too much stress load given to you this week, where it will be work. It will be too much stress for you, basically, overload of work given to you. Where your emotions are concerned, emotions has to be balanced this week. There are chances that you might be emotionally drained, or so tired at work that you might not be giving enough time to your family. So basically that's where the balance comes. You will have to balance your family time and your work time to make your life better this week. Where relationships are also concerned, if I see, there are chances that you are going to meet your elders basically this week. So there is this relationships where you are going to meet your elders. You might go and have a get together with them, or they will come to your place, and there will be that happy moment, but a respectful moment where you all will meet, kind of a thing. Also this week is something that definitely, if something is given to you or some project is given to you at work, you are so positive and so strong this week that you will be moving ahead with a lot of you can say strength and a lot of actually the positiveness. So yes, definitely at workplace I do see a load coming to you, but this week is a week where that you will be so positive that you will be moving ahead, dealing with all the issues coming to you at work front or at home front, kind of a thing. Yes, emotions are a little bit of up and down, but this is a strong week for you, strong card for you that will help you move ahead with confidence. Health, I don't see any issue. Finance also remains the same. Now we're going to do 3 cards for people born under the sign Aquarius. For people born under the sign Aquarius, if I see your finance, it is something that how much you work, you're going to get out of it. So if you work hard, your finance will be that. If you become lazy and do not work this week, the finance is not going to come to you. The growth is not going to be shown. This week is somewhere where you're going to feel tied up, maybe too much work, or maybe you cannot get out of the home, or you cannot get holidays, you cannot get break. So this is a week where you feel really tied up. But somewhere this week also shows some kind of small travel, or some kind of traveling that might involve family. So somewhere you will be traveling with your family, or you might be traveling somewhere near places where you will feel happy, where your relationship are concerned, meeting new people. Also this week, little bit careful about negativity, because I see some negativity coming to you. So be very protected this week where negativity is concerned. Definitely growth is showing. So somewhere, yes, definitely you have to work hard for your finance, but that will also give you that growth that you are looking for this week. Health looks fine, it's not a problem. It's just that you feel tied down, so you need a break. So that kind of, but where I'm seeing the other cards, that kind of situation will arise where maybe a very short travel will be there this week for you guys. So that will be kind of a break for you guys. So that's it. And now 3 cards for our last sign, and that is Pisces. Let's pull 3 cards for Pisces. For the people born under the sign Pisces, there are, where your career is concerned, I do see, there are opportunities, the growth that is happening in your place, in your workplace, in your business, wherever it is. It might not be shown to you this week, but definitely there is something going that will come up front and show you the growth or show you the progress that's happening at workplace. Where your relationship are concerned, I do see a heartbreak coming to you this week. So maybe there might be some issues where your relationship are concerned. There might be some arguments, there might be some breakup. So just be a little bit of patience and deal with it. Also, where your work, where your relationship, where your family is concerned, the people who are with family, relationships will have up and down, but it will be somewhere where there will be happiness somewhere created, in the family, or some other reason there will be happy moments coming in the family that will make you feel better. So that's a good sign. Also, I do see this week a total change, a change that you had not expected, so that kind of change, maybe you will not be happy with that change, so that kind of change will be coming to you this week. So just take it slow and be patient, and just go with the flow kind of a thing, because this is something, this week is something where you don't want to do, but you will purposefully have to do it, like a change of house, or maybe change of work or something. So that will be a sudden change coming to you, where that is concerned. So just be very careful, just be a little bit of at peace, and deal with it, and let it go. So that's it. So we are done with the reading, and like I tell you, please go ahead, like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I am on Insta as well as on Facebook. So we are done with the reading. Stay blessed, stay positive, and love you all.